ఒకసారి co-host ఇవ్వండి స్క్రీన్ షేరింగ్ పర్మిషన్ లేకపోతే ఓకే ఓకే నేను ఇస్తాను.
Yeah, funny. Please share your screen now. Just try to share your screen once. You have the access to share the screen, funny. Please go ahead. Wait, I'll try to check now. Yeah, got it. Fine. So finally, I got the remote access here, so I can start the class from Funny's account. Okay, why? Because from his point of view, it's working very speed. So let's go and try to work from Funny's account. So here, what exactly I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna show you how to change the custom theme of Jenkins. Basically, like here, if you go and see, currently what exactly you are going to see is this is what you can call as Jenkins classic dashboard. Which dashboard? Classic. For example, if I want to see it, like if I want to make it customized, how we can do it? That's what we're gonna see now here. So first of all, here you are going to like, let me remove all of them here, these remaining tabs. But because here it is going to create some kind of messiness. See, if you go to manage Jenkins, in the manage Jenkins, you can see something called as appearance. Okay. Or you can type CSS URL, just give control F means search. So just type CSS here. If you type CSS here, like you can see this is going to be happen. Wait. So in the system, as well as nodes, clouds, everything you are seeing, go for the appearance part. Where you are going now? In the appearance part, what you can see is here, by default, what are the dashboard you are going to see, that is going to be changed here. Let me show you how to change it. So there is an option to upload the custom URL here. Let me show you. Currently, you are seeing the light color URL. Okay, so if I click on dark, so the entire theme is going to appear in the dark mode. Which mode? So if you wish to go with the normal mode, you can go for normal mode. No, sir, if I want to go for the dark theme, so this is how exactly what dark theme is going to look like. Are you able to see it now? So it depends upon like your choice whether to go with the normal theme or like this other one. But if you ask me in real time, it doesn't matter which kind of theme you are going to use. At the end of the day, output will be same. But here, what is my intention? My intention is to bring back the custom dashboard from the classic dashboard. Okay, so let me show you how to do it. Again, I'll go to the appearance part here. In the appearance part, I can go here and I'm going to select here light theme again. What I'm going to select? That is by default one. Okay. So now here you can see something called as there is a URL. Are you seeing the console URL provider? Click on this add here. You can see some custom URL link. So wait. Let me scroll a bit down. Let me show you this one. Okay, it's not working properly. Wait. In the plugins, go to available plugins and type here just type here custom. Okay, the moment if you type here custom, you can see lot of plugins are available here. But among them, so which plugin we are going to use here is going to be the crucial one. If you see the top of the plugins here, you can see something called as UI. Okay, simple UI you can see it as. Are you able to see simple theme here? Okay, this is the plugin what you want. If you type custom, it will come, or if you type simple theme also, it is going to come. So click on install. The moment if you click on install, automatically, if you go back here, you can see the custom URL now. Let me show you. Sir, previously I go to the appearance tab. I go to which tab? Appearance tab. Now I'll go to the same tab, but this time you are going to see some other options here. Let me show you what are those. In the appearance section, you can go here and you can see the new option here. Let me show you. Are you seeing the customizable theme here? This option. Previously, this option will not come. Why? Because previously have I downloaded the plugin? No. This particular option will be enabled when you download the simple theme plugin. Okay. Now click on add. So click on here CSS URL. What you want to add here? That means basically Jenkins will provide the CSS URL, which is going to change the entire theme. But how to get the CSS URL means go to Google and type here Jenkins CSS URL. Okay. Just if you type like this, automatically Jenkins will provide one URL by default URL. There you can select and give it here. Let me show you. Click on simple theme plugin. You will get one URL. So if you scroll down here, there you can see some lot of URLs. But here the worst part is I'm not able to control the screen. Like it is dragging down spontaneously. Okay, man. Yes, it become very difficult to operate the other person theme here. Like when I'm not able to control the screen. I just need this single link. If I get the single link, so then we can easily set up. So I got the link right here. So here, if you go and see, let me see this one. All right. Are you seeing the theme here like URL? I'm copying this URL. Okay, this is the URL what exactly I want. The moment if I copy the URL and the moment if I paste the URL here, see, I copied the URL here, but see what is painting here. It is pasting the public IP address of the server. Copy this and paste it here. Have I given the proper URL now? Now if I click on save and if I come back to the console now, you can see the color has been modified. Are you seeing the modified color here? Previously, it used to happen on normal color, but now here which color you are seeing? Cyan. Which one? No, sir, if I want to get the red color theme for the Jenkins, so what I can do in the same way, go to manage Jenkins and go to the appearance section. In the appearance section, instead of cyan, just add red here. What I'm going to add? So whichever color you want to see in your dashboard, just go and try to add here. So instead of material cyan, just add red now. Right. Okay. Now click on save. And now in the dashboard, you can see the red color theme here. Now the theme is going to change. Instead of cyan, are you seeing the red color is showing on the dashboard now? So this is the way how you can change the default color of the Jenkins dashboard. But in real time, it is not recommended. But if you wish to do, you can do it like this. Okay. So don't worry about the notes point of it. I'll give the notes separately for you. Why? Because my system is some other system and I'm taking the laptop, class on the some other new laptop. So this is the way how exactly you are going to change the default UI. And the next concept is, for example, till now, if you go and see, like, try to execute any pipeline. So I am clicking on, try to click on build now. If you click on build now, what will happen? Your build will happen. And you can see the stages on the pipeline. What you can see? Stages. But there is a one more plugin called Blue Ocean plugin, which is going to provide the very high flexibility of the Jenkins user interface for the pipeline view. Let me show that one quickly. This is the worst case that is happening here. Like, Jenkins is the main part for the entire DevOps. But here we are facing a lot of difficulties to take the class of Jenkins. If it happened for entire today, tomorrow I'll stop Jenkins, then directly I'll go for the Ansible. Why? Because daily we are facing the same issue without any solution. Okay. See, I click on build now, build happened, but there is no such pipeline here. That's what I wonder. Is it a freestyle pipeline here? I think it's freestyle. That is the reason it is not showing any of the stages here. See, it is pipeline, but the craziest part is after clicking on build now, are you able to see any of the stages here? Are you seeing any single stage here? No, basically we need to get the stages here, but unfortunately stages are not coming after clicking on build now. That's what I wondered. I'll do that only. So guys, it's not working anymore. So all of our efforts are going to waste for putting up Jenkins. What I'll do is basically we need to complete Jenkins by today after doing the project, but it is not working anymore. What we can do is we will stop the project in Jenkins. Same project, I'm going to tell you an Ansible concept. Which one? Which we are going to do on tomorrow's session. So tomorrow I'm going to start the Ansible. So I'm going to start like kick off the Jenkins class as of now. Why? Because I think it is a fifth laptop, right? What we are using. Even the issue is not from the network. For some network, it is working very fine, and for other network, it is not working fine. So it's not on our hands. Basically, we can start Ansible today, but I don't want to start today. Tomorrow, I'll start Ansible for you. From tomorrow onwards, we can go to the Ansible. So if you are having any doubts or any queries, guys, you can ask me your doubts and queries. Of course, there is nothing to ask here. Why? Because from the past 2 days, we are not seeing any kind of class from Jenkins or like from DevOps also. Completely this entire week is went in vain. Shamsuddin, you want to speak? Please go ahead, Shamsuddin.
Sir, just wanted to ask, if we start Ansible, do we need to complete this first, or Ansible is kind of
No, not required. See, here in the Jenkins, you are going to do the project. Same project in the Ansible also you are going to repeat it. Okay. That means even if you skip the Jenkins as of now, in the Ansible, same thing you are going to repeat.
Okay, so same project will be done in Jenkins.
Same project
in
as is you are
Ansible.
going to repeat. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. So guys, anything or any point if you want to add, you can add. Funny, please go ahead. Funny, you can speak now.
Sir, will you cover Jenkins later after, sir? Or
Yeah,
else,
later I'm going to cover the rest of the topics. There are something called as like a blue ocean. There are some other concepts like parameters,
Okay.
and there are some other concepts like Tomcat integration. All these again we are going to see on the Ansible itself. Okay, so when I start Ansible, you will get the same concepts there.
Okay.
Don't worry, guys. Here we are stopping the class of Jenkins due to the issue from Jenkins, and it's not from our end. We tried with multiple laptops and multiple networks. It's not working fine. Okay, so issue is not from the our end. We are not like we need not to worry about anything.
Sir, for other sessions also are facing the same issue, sir. Only for 6
Basically, like
PM
here,
only.
I'm seeing like everyone from online and offline are facing the same issue. Jenkins is slow for all of the people. Can you change batch timing? So Pallavi, it is not possible, Pallavi. It is difficult for others if I change. Sirisha, you can go ahead.
Hi, sir.
Hello, Sirisha.
How to delete the build history in job, sir?
Sorry, Sirisha.
How to delete the build history in job, sir? My doubt.
Build history.
Hmm.
Which one you want me to show it? Build history means you want to delete the previous builds, huh?
Yes, yes, sir. If one or two, it's okay. We can delete it manually.
Okay.
In hundreds of builds is there. How to do that? Builds
First of all,
taken
I'll
to delete.
explain your query, but here my question is, what is the reason that you want to delete the previous builds?
While practicing purpose, I got it out. That's why I must be there.
For practice purpose, huh? Okay.
Ah,
Let me show you. It's taking a lot of time here. Oh,
or we can back up this build history, sir.
yeah,
If it's
backup section is
possible.
also there. Basically, I need to teach you backup, but of course, like it's working very slow now, so we can't do anything about it. In the configuration section, in the build history, you are seeing, right?
Yes, sir.
You can see something discard old builds, right?
Yes, sir. This is the this
So you can see for log rotation, and here what you can see is in the advanced section, you can see like how many builds you can store. That means, for example, let me show you days to keep the build. Okay, that means if not empty, build records are only kept up to this number of days. If I click on 0, or like let me go for minimum 1, max builds to keep. Okay, that means how many number of builds you want to keep. Just if I click on 1, so now what happened, you can only able to click past 1 build. So in this way you can remove the old builds. This is from the UI point of view. Again, if you go and see from the console point, I mean like a server point of view, you can use the command RM. So that is going to remove the complete builds as per your requirement. Like how many number of builds you want, that you can delete.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay.
Yep. And you can see one more option. For example, let me show you. If I go to this particular build, in this build, you have the option to delete it. So in this way also you can delete.
One or two, it's possible, sir.
Yeah,
We
that's
can
what I'm telling. So
uh,
if you want to do it, so this is the way how I shown you. Okay.
okay.
Fine, guys. So we are wrapping the session for today. But from tomorrow, Jenkins is not going to start. So we are going to start the Ansible concept. But don't worry, only we have one concept of left with the Jenkins that I'm going to cover in the upcoming days for you. Fine. Sorry. Basically, I need to tell you project only, but Jenkins is not working now. What we can do? Okay. Again, same project in Ansible will come. I'll tell 2 of them at same time. Okay. Next here, sir, when times permit, we can do this later. Okay, when time permits, we can do this later. Okay, fine. Okay, fine, guys. Let's wrap it for today. Let's for tomorrow. So I'm really sorry for the inconvenience. Basically, Nothing is on my hands. Everything is from Jenkins' hands only. So, but from tomorrow, I'll start the Ansible freshly. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, all of you. Have a great day.